Do you want to burn fat while you sleep and wake up refreshed? This scientific night drink can help. Deep sleep is not just rest. It's when your body releases human growth hormone, or HGH. This powerful hormone is produced in the brain's pituitary gland and helps with cell repair, muscle recovery, faster healing, fat burning, and metabolism boost. Now let me show you a natural fat-burning elixir that supports deep sleep and metabolism. Chamomile tea. Chamomile is nature's calming miracle. It relaxes the mind, reduces anxiety, calms the nervous system, and helps your body fall into deep, restorative sleep. Its effect comes from an antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to brain receptors and triggers sleep. Apple cider vinegar. It lowers blood sugar and insulin levels, improves metabolism, reduces fat storage, burns fat, and helps suppress appetite. Lemon. Lemon supports hydration, boosts metabolism, promotes fullness, and helps detox the liver and blood, allowing your metabolism to work more efficiently. Cinnamon. Loaded with antioxidants, cinnamon reduces inflammation, balances blood sugar, supports heart health, and helps fat cells burn stored lipids. Simple recipe: 1 chamomile tea bag, 8 to 12 ounces boiling water, juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon organic apple cider vinegar with the mother, half teaspoon cinnamon powder. Steep the chamomile tea, add all ingredients, and let it sit for 10 minutes. Drink this 30 minutes before bedtime. This powerful blend stimulates the brain, boosts metabolism, and helps you burn fat while you sleep. Try it every night for 7 days, and you'll notice deeper sleep, better energy, and a faster metabolism. Sleep like a baby. Wake up ready to take on the world. Follow Fit Mind Remedies for more natural health tips.